It's unfortunate that this has to happen. We had, as a family, we had a lot of hope that he would be alive, he was alive and he would join us. It's very sad that this had to be done after DNA that was recently conducted among the bodies that were recovered from Yala River. But I want to thank God that finally, as a family, we can say that we have him.
Ask God to give us the strength we deserve this mourning period, because I have little the young ones. I don't know what I'll tell them. I've been lying to them that daddy ameenda kazi mbali, penye network haipatikani, but one day he will come back. May God rest Francis Oyaro's soul in peace.
We are so much disturbed that the very government that is served diligently without even taking an off, our colleagues, they need to be found out wenye wamefanya hiyo kazi, wanatakana watafutwe sababu he served diligently.
We have a lot of faith in the government that such should not happen to another family again in the future, such that they have to go through all this pain. So we are very hopeful for the government to help us and ask the truth. Should my brother have committed any crime or anything, let us know his wrongs, whatever he did,